In a family, all family members have different likes and dislikes. Their skills also vary. It can lead to some fights, but there are benefits also from this diversity. Learning from each other. Children can learn various skills from their elders in a family. Many men have good skills in computer and they can train the children in a family. Grandmothers often teach embroidery to the girl children. Grandfather can play chess with the children. Younger children get training in cycling from their elder brothers and sisters. Younger children can help parents in the household jobs. Children can learn things like laying dining tables from elders. Value system. The values have been in practice since the beginning of civilization. Young people often touch the knees or feet of the elder people to seek blessings. Some youngsters fold their hands and say namaste or any other local word to express their respect. The elder person blesses the youngsters by putting hand on the head of youngsters and saying long live or God bless you. It is called Ashirwad. All parents teach their children to respect the elders. Having faith in God is another value of our society. Some people go to religious places and some people make a small place within a house for religious ceremonies. Many people offer prayer to God before eating food. After getting married, ladies cover their heads with the dupatta. In some villages, the newly wedded ladies cover their face also from the elders. It is called ghungat. Earlier, in our society, the education of girls was not preferred. It was because the social values were against the education of women. But today, parents want to educate their girl children. After getting education, girls work in offices. Some of them do tough jobs like pilots, army officer, police officer, etc. In India, women have held the top positions in the government, for example, Mrs. Indira Gandhi as the Prime Minister of the country and Mrs. Pratibha Patil as the President of the country. Besides them we have Kiran Bedi, IPS officer, Bachchandri Pal, a mountaineer who conquered Mount Everest, Kalpana Chawla, an astronaut, and many more.